Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create an affiliate site in minutes. And then you can actually set this up to be fully automated to where it will actually build an automated blog, niche blog for you on autopilot, and you don't have to lift a finger once you set everything up correctly. So let's go and jump in. I'm going to show you an example of one of my sites that I have that is fully automated, and it just continues to do posts for me. And I've selected the different YouTube channels that I want, and it's in a really cool niche. And then once it starts getting enough traffic, then I'll be able to turn on advertising for it, right? So here's what the site looks like. I'm not going to reveal the actual domain to you guys, but this is it. Obviously, you can tell what niche it's in right here. And it's just a fully automated blog that's set up right here, okay? And there's other ways that you can create a website quickly, an affiliate website, right? Because if we clicked on one of these, you'll be taken to the page right here. You can watch the video if you wanted to. And then I don't even have links in here, but we can actually put links in right here, promoting any kind of affiliate offer that's related to home remodeling or building houses or remaking closets or bathrooms or anything like that. This is where the ads will go, okay? So one of my sites that I have is right over here, and you can see that I've set this up, and the place is called spread.name. And you can see that I'm promoting some different products over here, right? And anytime someone clicks on one of these, it's going to take them to my affiliate link, but this actually takes time to set this up. This is manual. Nothing is automated about this, right? So I actually have to spend a lot of time to come in here and actually create this right here. So what could we do in order to create a site? Well, the one that I showed you over here, this was a plugin that was released like a year or two ago, and it costs like $100 or more, maybe $200. But there is a plugin that is doing the exact same thing that this one is, but you're going to be able to get it at a fraction of the cost in order to build an affiliate site. Look at all these posts that are just automated on this site right here. Now, there is something that just came out right over here, and it's called NinjaTube. Now you can click the first link below, go check this out. And what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to, in a couple, it's probably not going to be one click, but it's going to be a few clicks. You're going to be able to automate a done for you affiliate site. They're saying in just seconds. I'm saying in minutes. It's going to take 5 to 10 minutes to kind of install the plugin and get everything set up and push a button. You and I both know it doesn't just take seconds to do anything online, but this does, it will do it very quickly for you. So to start off, they have 12 different niches that you can utilize inside of the software. And it is a WordPress plugin, and you can actually, in a couple of clicks, monetize your entire site. Because they have a place where you can actually insert your ads at different places in the website, and it'll actually scatter that out on all the different pages on the site. So you only have to push a button, and then it goes and does it all for you. It's going to build a full site with a certain amount of posts on it already for you. So you can come scroll through here. Obviously, you're going to choose one of the niches that are inside of the software. Obviously the software is going to go to work for you and you're done. So these types of products right here on WordPress, I like them a little bit more than just like, hey, I've got this software that it really doesn't, they leave you guessing on what you're going to get when you make the purchase, and then you get then you purchase the product, and then it's kind of like, what did I just purchase? This is crap. And give me my money back or whatever, right? Well, in this case, this is actually a software that's going to create a website for you in just a few clicks. So pretty cool stuff. It's called NinjaTube. Obviously, it's going to be using YouTube. You're going to go from a website that looks like this completely blank, right? And you're going to be able to create a website similar to the one I just showed you. Look at this site right here. You're going to see. And it's going to be a fully fledged site. It's going to scrape YouTube videos that are inside of the niche that you select, and it's going to create a full website for you. And right here, obviously, you select a topic from all these. They have all the popular ones: personal finance, fitness, cryptocurrency, DIY, self-improvement, online marketing, beauty, technology, smart home, product. So that's going to be like security and things like that at home. Product reviews. I'd be very interested in that. Product reviews, cooking and travel. So Then you just push the import button and then boom, here's another one, fitness. This one's under fitness and there's another example site right there. And then there's a little walkthrough video showing you exactly how he does that in just a few minutes. So he actually sets up a site right here, and the video is only 3 minutes long. So it really does take 3 minutes or less to do this. And then just a quick tip, when you scroll off, right, the page, you're actually going to get a discount. You're going to get a few dollar discount off of the price. So you can see right here, it's actually giving you a 43% discount. It's removing $7. You're going to get this for $9.99, and the regular price of this is $47. So that's going to be a really, really good steal for you if you decide to get it at that discount. So again, you can create affiliate sites like this. They're not really gonna, this one's not gonna rank on Google or anything like this. You're gonna have to bring your own traffic to a site like this. But using plugins, you are able to create a high quality site just like this. And in this case, for a fraction of that cost, so you can literally pick this up for $10 and get a site like this built for you in 3 minutes. And then what you would want to do, right? What would you want to do after this? Okay. So you could set and forget this, but what I would do is I would actually go and set it to only have a few per day upload. Then you could spend your time going in and grabbing, because this is only going to create content like a video, but we want content underneath the video in order to rank on Google. We want high quality content. So what you could do is this is going to map out for you a site, and it's going to be, it's very appealing. It looks professional. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to actually want to go, for example, right here, best home security system. You could actually go and copy this headline, find what the most related keyword for that is in your keyword research tool, and then go out and either use AI content generation software like Jasper, and I can leave a link below for that. But then go and write an actual article for that, or go and outsource a high quality article to a freelance writer, and then publish those on the site. And then now you've got this site that's got videos on it. Google likes to index video pages very quickly, and they just seem to notice them and index them faster in my experience. And then you would have this really high quality 1,000 to 2,000 word article underneath each video, and then do that for 6 months. And I guarantee you are going to start seeing results. That's how you would put a tool like this to work. So if you actually can utilize these tools to your advantage and then take it to the next level, right? Don't just install this, boom, done. I've got an auto blog now, but then if you don't do any SEO and you don't add valuable content to it, it's not going to really do anything for you. And that's where some of these tools get a bad rep. Yes, some of these are garbage product. Some of them are actually useful product if you know how to use them. In this case, I think that this tool is useful if you use it in the right way. So if you want to pick this tool up, go ahead and click the link below and go and check this out. I will see you in the next video.